Baby, you're a queen in my eyes. Most beautiful thing I ever seen with my eyes. They only degrade you cause they ain't you, so they hate you. You're so graceful.
Hi guys, welcome back to the ExoticATL channel with your girl Miss Chi. Today's video is going to be short and sweet and to the point. With it being the height of the cold and the flu season, I felt like it was necessary for me to give you all a natural remedy to combat the cold and the flu. And this remedy is elderberry. I love this stuff. Like, this is why I never get sick. I am telling you, elderberry has been around for ever. Like, this is an ancient treatment for cold, flu symptoms, sinuses, and different things like that. Not only is it perfect for combating the cold and flu, but it's also perfect for combating liver issues, stress, fever, sinus problems, problems with breathing, all of that stuff. Anytime I feel like a tingle in my throat or anything, I take this, and nowadays I even use this as a preventive measure just to keep my immune system up and performing at its highest. I used to give this to my mom as well, and I've given it to other family members, and it's been proven to work. Now, as with everything, you want to make sure that you don't have any allergies to this. It comes in many forms. I make the extract. So all you do is you get the elderberry extract, and you would take, this is my last one, but I'm about to make some more. So you will fill this up for adult. Take it like so. Take it twice a day, once in the morning, once in the afternoon. For children, because this is kid friendly as well, you would give them a couple of drops, throughout the day as needed, 10 to 15 times a day. It's perfectly fine. Drops. Not the entire thing, but drops. And if you know someone that is dealing with or trying to fight off a cold or the flu, get this for them, and I promise you they will be so thankful for you. I do sell this. One of these will cost $20. So if anyone would like to purchase some, you can hit me up through my website, which is ExoticATL.com, or through my DM or message me, email, and I will get these to you ASAP with the instructions on how to store it and also how to use it. And I will leave all the purchase information in the description box below. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found this video informative in any type of way, give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below so you can catch all the videos as I'm dropping them. Much love and peace.
Girl, then the sweeter the juice, I know that there's a God because she is in you. It's nothing sexier than dark skin, red bone, caramel chocolate. Hold your head up, beautiful, you're a goddess. Baby, you're a queen, so no need to be modest, cause it's nothing sexier than dark skin.